Toyota ignition coil connector repair. Hey, what's up everybody? So basically any Toyota, you're doing spark plugs, coils, or you're just taking the stuff off to get to something else. The connectors on these are going to break. The little lock thumb tab breaks off. Over time, this could cause a check engine light if they back off, or just maybe an inspection failure potentially. So here's the connector replacements. This is the Toyota part number. These are Toyota ones. So on Amazon, they sell a bunch of different kinds, some with wires, some with, partially, some totally disassembled. I highly recommend just going with the actual Toyota ones. They're about 15 bucks for a connector. This video is going to be showing you how to repair it with this one. But if you want to try those other ones that have like it all assembled and then you just wire the wires in, you can. I'll link those below as well. First tool we need is a tool that could disassemble a connector. These are kind of specialty tools. I'm going to link them below. They actually sell them for very cheap on Amazon. You only really need one. First thing we're going to do with the connector is you're going to go underneath the white part, and there's a little spot you can get something in there, and you're going to pop it forward. Once you pop it forward, it'll unlock, and you can kind of grab it with your fingers and wiggle it and pull it out. Now that that's out of the way, we'll have access to the locking tabs for the terminal ports. The locking tabs are right here. They're black. So you're going to get your tool and go under the silver part and push those black parts down. Obviously, you got to do it one at a time. And then at the same time, you're going to push the silver parts backwards, outwards. Here's kind of what it looks like. This isn't the best quality footage, sorry. But basically, you're just going to go in here. And actually, the connector's probably going to just break apart on you. So they won't even give you that much problems. But once you get the locking tabs, you can pull this off. If you're really good, you can slide it off just like that. And then once you have your new port, you're going to slide all these wires back into their proper spots. Take a picture beforehand so you know which wire goes where. If you just put them in wherever, you're going to have issues. And then once you're done, you push the white part down into the connector to lock it in place. And that is it. So hopefully this video helped you out, gave you some idea. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off AUXITO.com promo code. Now AUXITO has a bunch of products, but what they're mostly known for is their really good aftermarket headlights. So if you got an older car, 80s, 90s, 2000s, even a newer car, if it has a bulb, they probably got an upgraded bulb for you. You may have seen aftermarket LED headlights on Amazon, but the thing, I'm not going to say any names, but the thing is they have a lot of issues. Sometimes they start to flicker after a few months, or they get hot and the LED burns off. AUXITO headlights come with integrated fans and modules that control all that stuff. So these are plug and play, super easy to put in. These are available on Amazon. You can get them there. However, if you go to the website and use the promo code GearmoAuto, you can get 15% off. It's really easy. All you got to do is go to the website on your phone or your computer and then put in what kind of car you have, what year, make and model, you know, that stuff. And then it'll display to you all of the available lights for your vehicle. You can get headlights, tail lights, interior lights. Highly recommend getting some good interior lights. You'll be surprised how bright it is. So just type GearmoAuto in at the checkout and you'll get 15% off.